Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to have Google Docs read for you. And this is very simple, but you need to know a few things. Alright, the first thing that you need to know is that Google Docs can do this for you. We need an extension for that. So we go to Google and then search for Read Aloud extension and then click here on this extension. Then right here we click on Add to Chrome and then do Add extension. And then right here, if you can see, we click here on this puzzle icon and then we mark the Read Aloud. Then from here we go back to our Google Docs file right here. And then we want to read this piece right here. Then we click here on the Read Aloud sign and then we go here to permissions and then allow this tool to read it for us. So now we click again on it and now he's working. And we also need to add this to our get-ons on our extension on Google Docs. So we do install the email, continue, allow. Now let's do done, close this. All right. And right now, if I click here on this icon, you're scanning everything.
Have 2 good weeks. Thanks for the reservation. Kind regards, Tommy Flex.
So this is exactly how this works. And if you have longer text or more text, he will read it, of course, for a longer time. But this is how this works. And if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.